Welcome to Japan Talker. One of the earliest things I remember in my childhood relating to Japan was origami. This simple to start, but hard to master form of art was introduced to me in primary school as a part of our language studies, which was Japanese at the time. The word origami means ori, folding, and gami, paper. To understand the history of origami, we must first follow the history of paper in Japan. Paper came to Japan from China in the 7th century. Originally, white paper was considered sacred, and was used for decorations for Shinto shrines. Paper was also used as a medium for wishes and prayers. After the age of samurai, paper was used to wrap gifts. Eventually, people started folding simple things like cranes and boxes. This led to the birth of origami. All sorts of things can be created with origami, and master-level artisans can create highly detailed and complex pieces. There are countless books and videos on YouTube. Several links can be found in the description. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos on Japan Talker. Japan Talker. Always talking about Japan.